How's it going, everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to utilize the news feature within your mobile application. The news feature is a great feature that keeps your app users up to date on issues that relate to your business or service. The content that appears in your feed depends on the keywords you provide. Please note, Facebook has been removed from the news tab as of February 2015, but we keep this field in the back end of the news feature simply to accommodate older app users using Facebook keywords. So to add a news tab, go to the build section of the app builder. And when you do this, you're going to want to add in a news tab. So click add feature. I'm going to scroll down and select the news tab. Give it a name such as news. Now scroll down on the left hand side until you find the news tab at the very bottom. And first thing, I'm going to want to give it a custom icon, maybe something that relates to news. This one could be pretty nice, just like that. And so we have two options. You can create your own custom news ticker, which is really cool. And the way this works is you can select for it to display on the bottom of your app so it is consistently displaying a headline. So if you have some really special news to share with your users, such as maybe you're having a special event being held this Saturday. Then you can give it a little description, and you can also enable this to click out to whatever event it is, or you can link it to a hyperlink and give it an icon. So I'm going to just grab an event icon really quickly from Google, just for an example. This one should work just fine. Save this. Add this as my icon, and you could choose from our preset icons, or you can upload your own and then click add. And so when I save this, this is going to instantly activate inside of the mobile application. So notice at the bottom, you're going to start seeing basically this is the news that we just added. But if we go to the home page of the app, you'll see that the news is now ticking at the bottom, and I can click this and it goes to the events tab. Pretty cool. So another thing that we can do is we can integrate news from other sources such as Google and Twitter. So for this one, I'm just going to put in something simple such as maybe you're a real estate agent, so I'm going to type in real estate. And for Twitter, I'm going to do the same just to give you an idea of the use cases you can use for this mobile application. So I'm going to click save. And I'm also going to have this display on the bottom of the app. So now when I launch it, it's going to be a completely different use case because it's pulling in different information about your app, but from different news sources. So if you don't have a lot of blog content, this is a great way for users to interact with different information. And as you can see, it's also ticking on the bottom as well, and it's constantly showing new news about whatever relative industry that you're in. So it's a great way to definitely add more engagement, more content into your mobile app to make it just that much more useful. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope to see you guys utilizing the news feature.